You just want to be able to stay safe as possible because I did construction all my life. So basically, if they don't give you water, you bring your own water, your own food. You just got to speak up like they said it. And it's real hard. Construction work ain't nothing to play with. So in this weather, you got to be safe out there. Safety is the most important issue. Because you can get hurt easy, get killed easy on the dot. Whatever you do, you got to be careful. You can't have your headphones on when you out there because there's a lot of machine going on, a lot of noise. You got to watch your step, watch your walk.
Right.
And that's what you get.
Appreciate you. What about you, Reed?